Hello children, in this video we are going to study Mathematics chapter 8 Mapping Your Way on page number 124. Children, here we will continue with question number 5. Distance between towns. Now children, here the question is measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Chola Ghat. Now children, and you can use a thread. They are telling us to use a thread because as the lines are curved, it is not possible for us to measure it with scales. So children, we will measure this route with the help of this thread. Now children, at one end of this point we have to keep this thread, and if you put it here you will find it that it is covering it completely. So children, and if you then measure the length of this thread, you will find that it is 6 centimeter in length. So children, measure the length of the route between Bhelpur and Chola Ghat is 6 centimeter. Now Ashi school children. Ashi school looks like this from the top. Use the squares to find out. Now children, here is the top view of Ashi school. Now children, here in this map 7 you can see here assembly ground. Here is hall. Here downside is playground. Main gate is here. Office is here. Garden is here. And the classes are here. So children, with the help of this map, we are going to answer the following questions on page number 125. Now children, they are asking you in the first part, how many times bigger is the area of the assembly ground than that of the office? Now children, first we will see the area of assembly ground. Now children, here how many squares do we see for assembly ground? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So there are 15 squares, and here in office there are only 3 squares. So children, the question asked here is how many times bigger is the area of assembly ground than that of the office. Now children, here assembly ground is 15 square and office is 3 square centimeter. So children, the how many times it is bigger? 3 5s are 15, so it is bigger 5 times. Understood children this? Now children, the next question is how much is the length and width of each classroom from the given options? Now children, let's find it. Now children, if you look at each classroom, you see that it is complete 2 squares in length. 2 squares means how much children? 2 centimeter. So 2 centimeter, it means how much its length is? 5 meter. Length of the each classroom is 5 meter. Now let's see its breadth children. Now if you look at its breadth, you will find it is less than 2 centimeter or 2 squares. It means that children, it is less than 2 centimeter. Less than 2 means what children? 4 meter it will be. Now children, coming to the answer. Now see children, how much is the length and width of each classroom? Here are the 4 options given. Here in this length is 5, width is 4. Here length is 2, width is 1. Here length is 12, width is 10. And here in last, length is 5 meter and width is 5 meter. Now children, from these 2 will get cancelled. Why? Because here length is 2 meter and here length is 12 meter. And we have already seen that length is of 5 meters. So these 2 options will not be the answer. Now let's consider these 2 options A and D. Here also the length is 5 meter. Here also the length is 5 meter. Now here width is 4 meter and here width is 5 meter. Now children, it is not completely 2 squares. It is not covering 2 centimeter. So the answer will be A. Understood children? Now children, all the classrooms in Ashi school looks like this. Map 8. Now see children, this is the view of Ashi's classroom. Here there is entrance. Opposite side of the door are windows. Next to door are blackboards. Opposite to blackboards are display board. Here next to door is notice board, and here next to window is almirah. Okay, and here are the benches. Now children, look carefully and answer which of these is exactly opposite to blackboard. Here is blackboard and opposite to blackboard is display board. So answer is display board. Now children, look at the school map again. Guess and mark where would be. Now children, blackboard in standard 3rd A and 7th. Now children, before going to the answer on map 7, let's see where is the blackboard position. Now children, as we enter from the gate, it is to the right side. Okay, here is the blackboard. Now let's see where it is in 3rd A and 7th. Now children, first we will see the blackboard of 3rd A. Now see children, this is the entrance and here will be the blackboard. Isn't it? Now children, coming to class 7th. If you come to class 7 children, here to this side, this is class 7th. Now here see children, this is the entrance as the board will be to this side. Understood this children, how to answer the question? Now children, the next question is, they are telling you to mark almirah in 4th and 10th. In 4th standard and 10th standard. Now children, again coming to the map of classroom, we will find where it is. See children, here is blackboard, here is display board, and here to this hand is next to window is almirah. Okay, so children, let's go to the map. Now children, see, here is standard 4th, and children, we have seen that here to this hand next to window are almirah. Here it will be, and in standard 10th it will be to this side next to window. Now children, the next question is notice board in 5th and 6th B. Now children, if you come to the map of classroom, we find where the notice board are children, next to the door. Here are the notice board to the door side. So children, here in map 7, we have to mark this notice board in standard 5th and standard 6th B here. So children, first we will mark in 5th standard. See children, to the here there is door and on this side there is notice board. So this is the place of notice board in standard 5. Now children, coming to 6th B. If you come here, here you see the door. This is door, these are windows children. So if you come from this side, here is the notice board. Now children, the next question is last seat of middle row in 2nd. Now children, again if you will come to this class map, you will see that the last seat in the middle row, this is the middle row children. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows are there, no? So this is the middle row and last seat is here. Now and it is exactly in the middle of display board. Now children, coming to the map, you will find that 2nd standard is here children. So here if you come from this door, here it is your blackboard, here it is your display board. So the middle seat will be here. Last seat of the middle row in 2nd is here. Now the next question. Now children, they are asking you the next question, display board in 1st. Now children, this is 1st standard. if you come from here there is no blackboard, and here there is display board. So display board in standard first is here. Now children, they are asking you the next question. Can a child sitting in third A, see children, this is the third A. Can a child sitting in third A see the playground? See children, here is the playground. Now children, the child sitting in third A, the windows are here towards assembly ground. So can he see the playground over here sitting in his classroom? No. So the answer to this is no. So children, can a child sitting in third A see the playground? No. Hope children, this chapter is, you have understood this chapter. With this, we have completed chapter number 8. Now in the next video, we will study the next chapter, that is boxes and sketches, that is chapter number 9. Till then, bye children. Have a nice time.